Get comfortable, XRP troops. Are you sick of hearing speculative talk regarding Ripple's price nonstop? Do you feel bewildered by a sea of contradicting forecasts? So stop worrying, we're going to crack the XRP code today. Is XRP going to rocket into orbit or remain on Earth? We'll be analyzing the most recent technical indications, delving deeply into professional analysis, and even sprinkling in a little forward projection. Yes, we are taking a risk with this XRP price prediction. We have an exciting update regarding Ripple XRP today. From the most recent demands made by the SEC to Ripple's continuous partnerships and audacious price projections, everything is covered by us. Is there going to be a significant spike to $1,000 in XRP prices, or will Ripple's legal struggle have an impact? You won't want to miss this, so stay put. Let's start by discussing the intense court battle between Ripple and the SEC. According to Ripple's lead attorney, the SEC is furious. What does this portend for the future of Ripple XRP? A new development has emerged in the ongoing legal struggle between Ripple and the SEC. The lead attorney for Ripple has called the SEC's recent moves raging a reflection of the regulator's tremendous pressure. In the XRP lawsuit, the SEC is now requesting a whopping $102.6 million fine on Ripple. The price of Ripple XRP has definitely been impacted by this legal news. However, the community is still strong. What does this signify for the overall cryptocurrency market and Ripple's price prediction? That's not all, though. Ripple is expanding its partnership with the real-world assets RWA industry. What effect will this have on the expected price of XRP and the Ripple XRP pricing? Notwithstanding all of the legal obstacles, Ripple is moving forward with a calculated partnership. Ripple has expanded its partnership in the real estate asset market with the intention of tokenizing and bringing liquidity to conventional assets such as commodities and real estate. This action might greatly improve Ripple's ecology and raise the cost of Ripple XRP. But as a result of recent market reactions, XRP's losses have increased. What causes the slump, and how does it impact today's XRP Ripple news and the projection of Ripple's price? Here's the crucial query though. Is XRP able to reach $1,000? An analyst describes the market's responses at significant price turning points. Now let's get started. An aspirational analyst has projected that XRP may hit $1,000 and has outlined the significant price benchmarks that must be met along the way. These achievements include defeating significant barriers to adoption, growing institutional acceptance, and winning Ripple's legal disputes. We might witness a big increase in the value of XRP if these prerequisites are satisfied. However, what reasonable expectations exist for the Ripple XRP price objective and prediction? However, what is the market's response to all of these changes? Let's examine the current state of the market and what it implies for Ripple XRP both now and in the future. There's now a mixed mood in the market regarding Ripple XRP optimism and caution. On the one hand, some dealers are staying away from the market due to the legal uncertainty. However, the community remains optimistic due to Ripple's ongoing innovation and partnerships. The Ripple Daily Update emphasizes how significant the upcoming months will be for the direction of XRP. However, what can we anticipate in the near future in terms of Ripple XRP price analysis and XRP price prediction? There's still more. Ripple is not only concerned with court cases and partnerships. They are developing cutting-edge technology that has the potential to completely transform the cryptocurrency industry. Blockchain technology is about to get stronger and more scalable thanks to Ripple's technological innovations. The platform is drawing more developers and users because to innovations like the enhanced transaction speeds and security features of the XRP ledger, since they increase XRP's overall utility and acceptance, these developments may raise the price of Ripple XRP. What impact did these events have on the cryptocurrency market and the projection for the price of Ripple XRP? With technological improvements, legal challenges, and strategic collaborations, Ripple XRP is navigating a challenging environment. Even if the path ahead could be difficult, there is a chance for big rewards. Being up to date is essential, regardless of whether you're an investor or just interested in today's Ripple news. Now that we have a look at the charts, let me provide my short to medium-term price prediction for Ripple XRP. All right, folks, this is XRP and USDT together. Naturally, we are examining the technical analysis here while we are on the one-day Binance chart. The price movement of XRP has shown us a good deal of volatility. Most recently on June 7th, there was a significant market decline that saw us hit a low of 45.08 cents. As I have discussed in the past many videos on XRP, in terms of my expectations, let me say that although there has been some movement to the downside, there is still a great deal of volatility to sort of work through before we witness the next significant upswing in prices. Regretfully, it's quite difficult for me to look at the charts without seeing the patterns, candlestick patterns, Elliott wave scenario, smart money concept scenario, and the conventional methods of EMAS and AMAS and SMAS. Whether you're looking at a stochastic or an RSI, these technical indicators are all sadly pointing to short-term price projections for XRP that are bearish. Now, I want to go over these bearish moves with you guys to help you prepare for what is probably going to happen. It's not a guarantee, but it does give you a chance to get a dollar cost average and expand those positions if you so choose. All right, so as you can see, the 200-day EMA shown by the white line that runs through the chart is higher than the current price movement. That was 54.81 cents at the time the video for today was recorded. If I can articulate myself today, the 50 exponential moving average is represented by the blue line. This is now sitting at 51.58, and the 50 simple day moving average, which is at 51.43 cents, is shown as the yellow line that passes through the charts. Naturally, we were below both the longer term and shorter term price actions at the time we recorded today's video, as we were sitting about 49.16 cents. Essentially, we're more bearish when viewed through a traditional lens. We now have further issues. The trend lines produced on this page also show that we have lower highs and lower lows on the daily time frame. Additionally, it provides many traders a negative feeling. As a result, we will regrettably continue to watch for additional downside slippage. However, there are some advantages to some of this. Although the volatility this short term will bounce between the higher and lower ranges, lower highs and lower lows do have a tendency to have a break to the upside, so ultimately we will see a bit of a breakout position. The other thing that we need to keep in mind is that we have encountered resistance most recently following our draw to the downside on June 7th. The resistance in this area is currently between 49.93 and 50.53 cents. This was an area prior to the previous support where we closed above 49.93. This essentially took place between May 10th and May 15th. We reversed from this area of buying pressure, and on May 21st, we did climb up to the 200-day EMA. Sadly, that was gone. We lost that purchasing pressure support area. On June 7th, we lost it, and when we came back, we reached the prior location of support, which is now opposition. This is due to the fact that prior purchasers who were locked into positions following the June 7th jump can essentially exit for a cost of zero. In other words, they are free to exit their positions without worrying about any losses or other consequences. Since this is where traders who were previously stuck can leave their positions, it is normal for support zones to become resistance areas when they are observed. Indeed, there are greater low points in this daily period as well, correct? Should we zoom in a little bit, we can observe that the low points on June 7th are higher than on June 14th when we retest. Ascending wedges are those that approach this area of resistance. It's kind of visible inside this place. All right, so we should be conscious that this is not the best view. However, we may bounce around inside this ascending wedge area for a little while before the market really starts to shift downhill. As I've mentioned in a number of our previous films, we naturally aim for a minimum expectation of 41.88 cents. That is the swing low that was observed on April 13th. At the very least, I would expect that we reach this point before any indication of a possible upward break. It's not always the case that the minimal expectation is the most common. The most likely scenario would be a regression into this little more negative pattern where we see prices of between 28 to 33 cents. Though, as you can see, Elliott wave theory has been holding true for XRP thus far. In my opinion,